The Galaxy S25 Ultra has 6 intriguing new improvements, plus something wild. Although we first believed the S25 Ultra would have the tiniest bezels ever, a different firm has now broken that record with even narrower bezels, elevating smartphone design to a whole new level. Now available are the color options for the S25 Ultra. Ice Universe claims that the S25 Ultra will be available in 4 different colors: titanium, blue, green, and black. Those are just the standard options. Additionally, Samsung will provide a few hues that are exclusively available online, however, such colors are yet unknown. In contrast, the S24 Ultra was available in titanium, black, yellow, and violet, hence, it seems like blue and green are taking the place of yellow and violet this time. Samsung may continue to use the blue option from the Z Fold 6 and the green option from the S22 Ultra for the S25 Ultra. All we can do is wait and see. The camera lenses on the S25 Ultra can now be seen in detail thanks to a new render. The good news is that, while it still has the car tire appearance, it is not as noticeable as the Z Fold 6. However, it has the same sensor arrangement as the S24 Ultra. More leaks of screen protectors are circulating, which gives us a sense of how these phones will feel in your hand. Sincerely, however, we've seen enough of them, so let's go on to the next section. Additionally, One UI 7 will be the first phone to operate on the S25 Ultra. More upgrades have subsequently been released by Samsung, including changes to the design, new app icons, and animations. In essence, fresh icons are replacing the majority of the ones from the developer event. Remember that rainbow-colored gallery symbol that everyone detested, for instance? It's gone, and the old red symbol has taken its place. Other icons are also being changed, including those for the Samsung Notes, phone, camera, recorder, and contacts. It's encouraging to see Samsung taking customer comments seriously, since large corporations seldom do. Well done for implementing the desired adjustments. You'll be pleased to learn that One UI 7 is giving good luck new options if you like personalizing your phone. You may now alter the animation styles in One UI 7, which is Samsung's customization program. Good luck, for those who are unaware. Because the S25 Ultra will feature a faster CPU and 16GB of RAM, the software will operate more smoothly and quickly. He also provided some figures that demonstrated the significant improvements in animation stability, responsiveness, and smoothness that the S25 Ultra would provide. Though not very noticeable, the change does exist. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.